channel. This week we have a very exciting video. It's something that I haven't done before on the channel, so I'm really excited to be able to share this with you guys. We are going to be doing a nail tutorial where I show you guys how I do my nails myself, because I have been doing them myself for many years now. It's something that I taught myself a while back and have kind of built on the skill over time. It's something that I really enjoy doing. I'm someone that really likes to have my nails done and do different styles and designs and things like that and kind of play with them. It's another creative outlet. So I thought it would be really fun to share with you guys how I do that, maybe be able to teach you how to do them at home yourself. If that sounds like something you would be interested in seeing, then make sure to like and subscribe so you can see more of my videos. I put out new videos every Sunday, and we are going to get right into our nail tutorial. So this week we're going to be partnering with a brand that I personally really love. I've been using their products for a very long time now, and we're going to be working with the nail brand Madam Glam. They make some really great products, from nail polishes to UV lights, everything that you could really need to do your nails. I've been using them for quite a while now. I personally have bought their cat eye nail polishes and their base and top coats in the past, prior to ever doing this partnership. I have tried a lot of different nail brands and polishes and tools and all those types of things over the years that I've been doing them. The nail brands that are out there are not always the best. There are many that you will try that will chip off within like a week, and it's super disappointing because you put all that time and effort just to have them kind of fall apart. But with Madam Glam, I have never had that experience. They hold up so well, to the point that my nails will be grown out and I'll have to remove the polish to be able to do my nails again. This week we're going to be working with Madam Glam. They sent me a couple of nail polishes that I picked out, as well as their base and top coat and a UV lamp. So we're going to get to try out a little bit of everything, and we're going to be doing a nail design that I'm really excited about. I've had a super difficult time choosing which one of the 3 nail polishes I wanted to do in this video, because they're all just so beautiful. So if you guys find that you want me to do another nail tutorial in the future with one of the other polishes that they sent, definitely leave me a comment and let me know, and we could do that, because I think it would be really fun to try out some different designs with the different polishes and see how they look. We are going to get started by removing my current nail polish so that we have a nice clean base to work with. To prep my nails and to get them ready for polishing, I start off by removing the polish that is already on there, and I use a nail Dremel to do this. I like to use this rougher bit to get the top layer of my polish off, and I'm not taking it completely off with the Dremel because I'm also going to go in with some acetone and a cotton swab and wrap my nails in aluminum foil to get the last little bit off. So this just helps to kind of speed the process up. I personally do this because I like to have an acrylic overlay base on my natural nails, so I don't have extensions or tips or anything like that, but I find that the acrylic base just helps to make my nails stronger and protect them with all of the projects and things that I do, so I don't break my nails, and then I'm able to go in with gel or a design over them. Once all of my polish is removed, I'm going to go in and clip my nails with some nail clippers. That will give me a good base to be able to shape them with the nail file. I like to do a more rounded shape, kind of oval. You'll see me going back and forth to make that oval shape. Once I get the shape that I like, then you'll see me go in and buff my nails so that I get them a little bit roughed up, and the acrylic will hold on to my nail really well and not peel over time. The prep is really the trick in getting your manicure to last a long time. You want to make sure that all of the oils and dirt are removed from your nails, they're roughed up, and that you use a good dehydrator so that your nail polish can really adhere to the nail. The next step I like to do is to use a smaller bit with my nail Dremel to clean up my cuticles so that you can get your polish as close to your cuticle as possible. And this right here is my Holy Grail dehydrator for my nails. I always put this on before I start painting my nails, putting acrylic on, or gel, whatever it may be, because this will really just make your nail polish stick to your nail and last a super long time. I swear by this stuff. I will link it below for you guys if you're interested in checking it out because it is so amazing. And to do the acrylic overlay, you're gonna need a liquid monomer, which is the activator for the acrylic powder. That's the one I use, and this is just a neutral tone acrylic powder and the brush that I use. Again, I'll link everything that I use for you guys in the description box so that you have all the tools you need to be able to do your nails. When you are getting your bead of acrylic powder, you want to dip your brush into the monomer liquid and drain one side of it, not both sides, and then use the opposite side from what you drained from, what you pushed against the bowl, to pick up the bead of powder, if that makes sense. I'll show you a little bit closer up in a second, and you'll put your acrylic bead at the top of your nail, gently pat it out and drag it down your nail. You might need to do it a couple of times to get the thickness and evenness that you want, and this does take practice. You will probably find it difficult on the first try, but it gets easier, I promise. And you can always use your Dremel or nail file to even it out later on. Once we have the acrylic base on all of our nails, we're going to use our Madam Glam base coat to prep our nails for our gel polish. And this is just a clear coat that you put underneath your gel polish so that it holds on better and applies more evenly. And the cool thing about Madam Glam's base and top coats is that you don't have to wipe them off. A lot of base and top coats you have to use acetone and remove the sticky layer before you can go on, but you don't have to do that with these. Once you get your clear coat on, you're going to press and hold on your UV light, and that will let it go for 120 seconds. It really only takes 60 seconds to cure, but I prefer to do double just to make sure that it is super dry and you're good to go. And these are the 3 shades that I picked out that Madam Glam sent over to me. I'm going to be going with this bluish gray color. I really struggled in choosing which color I wanted to do for this manicure. I was going back and forth between the darker cat eye and this bluish color. The burgundy color is also a cat eye, but I wanted to go with a night sky sort of look. I ended up choosing this bluish color, and I think it turns out really good. Now that we have the gel on, we're going to go ahead and add some decals because we're going for a night sky theme. We're going to use these really pretty holographic decals that have moons and stars and all kinds of fun things like that. A very celestial vibe. I'm going to do a different one on each of my nails. I'm not going to match it between the two hands. They're all going to be different. We're just going to kind of go with what I feel looks good. Have fun with it. I got these little decals on Amazon. They stuck really well, so I'm super happy with that. And once we get these on, we'll put the clear coat on top and cure it, and then we will be all done.
Miles and miles on the clear blue skies, we drive straight as an arrow flies. Nowhere to be, no dreams to chase tonight. We've got time to waste, let's waste it right. You and I, heads up in the clouds. We caught up with the birds flying south. Nothing to see as the day turns into night. We've got time to waste, let's waste it right.
Alright guys, well that wraps up this week's video. I hope that you enjoyed seeing the nail tutorial and how the Madam Glam products perform and hold up. They are a really amazing brand and one that you can really count on to last the entire length of your manicure so that you don't have to redo them partway in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave me a comment letting me know, and if you would like to see another video in the future with a different nail color or design or technique, definitely let me know so that we can try that out as well. I do my nails pretty much every 3 to 4 weeks at home, so I would love to be able to do another one with you guys if you are interested in that. And don't forget to check out Madam Glam if you are looking for new nail polishes or nail tools. They have given us a 35% off discount, which is really incredible because their prices are already amazing. Definitely check those out. They are worth looking into if you are someone that likes doing your nails like I do. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see more of my videos. We do tons of really fun things on the channel. Lots of home projects, home decor, DIYs. So we would love to have you be a part of our DIY community. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next Sunday.
Let's waste it right.